In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unblock adult websites on Chrome first. Configure Secure DNS, open Chrome and click the three-dot menu. Then select Settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and click on Security. Scroll down to the Advanced section and enable Use Secure DNS. Select Choose another provider and select Cloudflare. 1.1.1.1 from the drop-down menu. Restart the browser to implement settings. Next, remove extensions. Click the three-dot menu. Select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Find any extension that restricts browsing, example, Ad Blockers, select and remove it. Next, disable SafeSearch, open Google in your browser. Click your profile picture in the top right. Then select More Settings. In the Privacy and Security section, find SafeSearch and open it, then toggle it off. You see confirmation that SafeSearch is now off. This change affects what appears in your search results. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.